Suzuki Philippines is stepping up efforts to get more vehicles rolling out of showrooms and into homes of buyers this September. Suzuki calls this latest salvo for sales in September for the Win promo. Until the end of the month, 4 of its popular models, the Celerio, Swift, Sayaz, and Vitara All Grip are offered with great deals that Suzuki hopes will see a rush of reservations this month. Suzuki's Micro 5 passenger hatchback, the Celerio, can be driven off the dealership with a low down payment of 29,000 pesos. That's for the Celerio CVT variant. A 60,000 peso cash discount is also being dangled at buyers. Also offered with a low down payment of 29,000 pesos is the Suzuki Swift, a bigger and sportier hatchback. Also offered for the Swift is an 80,000 peso cash discount. The Sayaz Suzuki subcompact sedan can be had for a low down payment of 49,000 pesos or a 70,000 peso cash discount. Number 4 in the 4 to Win promo is the Suzuki Vitara All Grip, a compact SUV with an all-wheel drive system. Suzuki is offering a low down payment scheme of 90,000 pesos and a cash discount of 70,000 pesos. Keiichi Suzuki, Vice President and General Manager of Automobile of Suzuki Philippines, says Suzuki is excited and optimistic that with the promo and vehicle it offers, Suzuki may be able to help uplift the quality of life of Filipinos.